Very good evening, guys. Today I'm going to discuss about case insensitive match and inline templates. So case insensitive match means, let's go to our project, run this application. So here, suppose if you click on courses, we're getting the courses, click on students, it is going to load the students. So my question is something, if you click on home, I'm going to get the output. So case insensitive match means, suppose if I enter the capital letters of this in the URL, then I'm not able to get the page. Suppose if I click on courses, so the URL is showing as a courses in lower cases. But if you try to enter in upper cases, SOU or SES, courses, and try to press F5 when I'm trying to navigate to the courses with uppercase letters, but it is not finding in the routes, and it is navigating to by default home page. That means we are not able to find out that route because it's a case sensitive. So if we go to route, here by default routes are configured with the case sensitive. So if I want to remove the case sensitive, that means if I want to enter small letters or lowercase letters or uppercase letters, the URL should work as expected. In order to do that, what we need to do is we have to provide the case insensitive match equal to true. If you set this property and save this and reload your page, here press F5, going to reload the page. Now if I enter, go to courses, and if you're trying to enter the uppercase letters COU or SES courses, then it should work as expected. So I able to navigate to the same page. I should not navigate to the by default page, the home. So either lowercase letter or uppercase letter in the URL, it should work as expected. In order to do that, we have to provide this property case insensitive match equal to true. So this is done only for one route, but if I want to apply for all routes, what we need to do is we have to provide case insensitive match property to the $route provider service. So if you set this property, then this is not required because it is going to apply for all routes. So case insensitive match is apply for all routes. What are the routes you defined here? If you set as a true, then in the URL in the browser, if you enter the URLs with either lowercase or uppercase, it will work as expected. Let's see, save this and reload the page. So if you click on home, I just try to enter home, capital HOME, home. It is working as expected. Click on students. Here also, if you try to enter, sorry, students, students in uppercase, and try to enter so I can able to load it. So here what we did is either you enter a lowercase or uppercase in the URL, it should work as expected. So in order to do that, I provide the $routeProvider dot case-insensitive-match equal to true. So if you set this in the route provider, so this case-insensitive match is applied for all the routes. This is about case-insensitive match. Next one is inline templates. So inline templates, see here, basically in each route I used to provide a separate HTML page, something like home.html under templates folder. So this route always navigating to a separate HTML page. But if your page view content is very small, then you can provide this content in a inline templates, something like this. You can provide a template, and a template can provide the template, the actual HTML tags. So this will, without using the separate HTML page, I can just provide as a template and I will see the output. Let's see if we just copy this and I can modify here. Just comment this. I will modify here. Sorry. I will enter template and save this, and let's reload the page and see the output. So I able to see the inline template in action. So I able to complete case instance 2 and the inline templates what we discussed. In summary, case insensitive match is nothing but the URL should work either in lowercase or uppercase. So in order to do that, we have to provide a special property that name as case insensitive provider under route provider. So if you set at the route provider service, then this will apply for all the routes. So you can enter the URL with either lowercase uppercase, you can get the output as expected. When I coming to inline templates, so if the page having a very less content and if you want to enter the only inline in one line content to be shown in the view, so instead of creating a separate HTML page, I can write the HTML tags inside the template itself. So here I no need to create a separate HTML page. Just I enter only single line with the HTML tags and assign to a template. So I will see the output. Thank you.